Oh, here we go. Payment info. Oh, Jesus. Where's my wallet? Terms and conditions. Okay, right, purchased it. Now, install. 25 gigabytes, you're having a laugh! The original game came on a CD-ROM. It was 700 megabytes on a CD-ROM. Language, English. Yes, I agree. Like I'm gonna read that. 25 gigabytes. When I were a lad, it was measured in megabytes. Wasn't even a gigabyte. Now it's 25 bleeding gigabytes. How we doing? You alright? Long time no see. Been a while since I did a Command and Conquer video. So, there's a pandemic on at the moment. That's a bit of a bother, isn't it? Oh. Okay, so it was only 18 gig in the end, only, not the 24 or 25, whatever it was. I've forgotten, it was so long ago. But I'm now so tired, I can't keep my eyes open long enough to play it, or say funny things on camera whilst playing it, which is kind of why I make these videos. So I'm going to quit. Alright, today's another day. I have my drink, I have my chicken poppers with ketchup. Let's do this. Right, here we go. My choice is CnC Remastered or Red Alert Remastered or Map Editor. Let's come back to that. Let's start at the beginning. Shiny. What's going to happen? Apparently nothing's going to happen for quite some time. Oh.
Welcome to the Electronic Video Agent installation.
It's Eva. Oh, that's good. That's actually really clever.
Welcome to the Electronic Video Agent installation.
Fantastic. What are these options? What's it doing? Oh, okay, those weren't options, it's just doing it.
Left, right, center, sound hardware initialized.
So that was cool.
For last minute changes and notes, please examine the README file.
Nobody reads the README file. This is a nice touch, I do like this. Nice.
Welcome back, Commander.
It's glad to be back, Eva. Oh, that looks nice in HD. Oh, I've missed you, Westwood. Oh. Ooh, shiny. Oh. Ooh. I'm in. That music. Ah, Frank Lapacki, I've missed you. Ah, yes. The captions, slap, louder slap. Ooh, this looks good. This looks good in HD. I'm slightly concerned looking at my screen for OBS that it's not picking up anything of what I'm watching. So this video recording screen capture might not be working at all. So all you've got is this. Or is it? This is another.
Upgrade your battle control to high definition.
Upgrade your battle control to high definition.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Ooh. Oh, he looks good. And look, you can just scroll in and out.
Mission accomplished.
If anything, it was too easy. Oh, the little cutscene video. The butterfly on the bush flaps away. And then a really, really 90s CGI MCV turns up and unpacks into this low poly building. Oh, top scores. Select territory to attack. Well, it's going to have to be that top one, isn't it? Gross domestic product negligible. I'm sure the people of Estonia would love that.
Good job with the beachhead, Commander.
You're welcome, Shepard. Joe Kukan doesn't age. Oh, some Tiberium. Oh, we've got separate tabs. Oh, yes. And does it let you queue up? Oh, it lets you queue up. Ah, goodness for that. Run, little man, run! Well, basically it's exactly the same game from 25 years ago, but now it's in HD and it looks nice. So, for whatever reason, OBS didn't capture really any of that, so it's just me talking gibberish and you can't see what I'm looking at. So, it's kind of ruined that because I can't pretend that I've not seen it again. A small screw has just fallen out of this piece of equipment I'm holding. Okay, well this is going well, isn't it? That's recording. That's recording. Let's play a skirmish and have a look.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
New construction options.
Reporting. Moving out.
Okay, so the graphics are good. It's responsive. I can do this scrolly in out stuff, which is great. Okay, cool. All right, so this is working. It sounds good. It looks great.
Construction complete.
It's everything I remember from the game, but you know, it looks better. You can actually queue stuff up, which is great.
Unit report. Acknowledged. Affirmative.
They still haven't fixed the AI with the two harvesters going like that on a bridge. Arm cannon ready.
Yes, sir.
Mission accomplished.
It's good to see the old girl back again in high definition. That was fun. Gonna have to find some friends now to thrash them, but it's on Steam, so if I know you on Steam, then we'll go head to head. Insert witty outro here.